So in this video I'll be rebuilding a clutch master cylinder. I have a suspicion that some air is getting in there, or it's not working quite 100%. Also, I have trouble regulating the clutch height because this stick that you can turn there that attaches to the clutch pedal, it seems to be completely stuck. Even if I open the regulating nut, there's like no way to move it. And I have an issue that the clutch takes, like, as soon as it comes up from the floor, it immediately starts taking, and it's not very good probably. I suspect that my previous clutch went because of it wasn't properly regulated. In order to get to it, at least from here, it really only has this one line attached. It goes to the slave cylinder, but to get to the bolts from inside, it's pretty annoying. It's very crammed in there. So you have to remove the kicker panel and then some electronics, and then you can kind of get in there. So I removed this panel. You need to pull up this thing and remove one of these from all the way back there. Then you remove the kicker panel. Here you have a couple of connectors up here. You have 3 screws here and on both sides and down, and a couple of plugs also there, and of course also the release for the hood. So after that you can move it aside. Remove this ECU from here. It's this one, and then there's one more up here behind this boost line. I don't know if you can see. It's like over there. So you have this computer from out of your way, so it's installed like this in there. So these two are the 10mm bolts that are removed. Then the clutch pedal is attached to the master cylinder with this thing. It has a pin that you pull out. I used this tool to pull it out, and then you push out the pin. Wiggling the clutch pedal helps to get it out easier. It's no longer attached to the clutch pedal, and there's 2 more bolts I need to remove, then I can pull out the master cylinder. So the first one, this one is easy. Where are you? There you are. See, that's the second bolt of the master cylinder. So from here you can get to it using this long extension. 12mm this socket, and then a swivel head. Get this 12mm on to there. Holy shit. And now I should be able to pull this out from here. Alright, I really don't want to spill any on the car because it's super corrosive. Oh, it's 11. I'll cap off. Did the liquid from here. Be sure you don't lose this floaty thing. Use like some towels to clean it from the inside and a bit from the outside. And then to get out all of the rest of the fluid, I just press the clutch down while holding this hole over the bottle. Attach this to a vise. So this is a rubber seal that you can pry off. Down here you have a clip that you need to remove. Easier said, and then I don't have these tiny pliers, so I have to kind of yeah, all right. So be prepared, some liquid will come out. First you have the C-clip, then you have a washer, and then you have this rod here and the gasket. And then out comes the plunger. Looks pretty good from the inside, no like pitting. It does have some crap in it, so I'll try to flush it out with some brake clean. And the source of my problems, why I even started this journey, is this here. To open this nut here. But this thing itself is completely seized. So you can see that there's like rust in here. So no wonder I was unable to regulate it. I think the only sane thing to do is to put a little bit of copper grease into this thing. So to prevent it from seizing. Seems good to me. The replacement, this one does look like it has some crap in it. And this front seal, it's probably fine. But you know, I had to open this thing anyways. Dot fluid into the cap. Put some onto the beginning here. A bit here. A bit here. Maybe like a drop in here, so it wouldn't be completely dry. So now comes the tricky part, where you have to get this in. The clip in. Oh, my pliers actually fit, then it will be easy. Fit into the hole, so of course making it with these it's much easier. Cover on, seems to work. And now we need to bench bleed this sucker. I found some random brake line that I attached here. Put some liquid in here. And since I don't know if this pipe is actually clean from the inside, then the initial first pump call, just in case, make into here. Yep. Back with the float, put the cap on. And my finger on here. So rebuilding the clutch master helped for sure. Like, I don't know if it was the rebuild, but now I can adjust it. So now that it's adjusted, it works great. The rebuild kit, the rebuild kit number is this. So probably it's not wasn't the master cylinder itself, but the problem was that the adjustment nut was totally rusted shut. So now I can adjust it, and when I assembled it, I actually put it all the way, like as high as possible, the pedal. So now it's too high. However, now I'll be able to adjust the clutch normally without taking everything apart.